We live in a world where machines increasingly collect information about us, reducing our bodies and the things around us to streams of data. In turn, the digital realm can feel abstract and out of our control. The stuff of computers and digital infrastructure is often hidden out of sight, and huge power imbalances exist around who is making technology and who benefits from it. Yet the impact of our interactions with machines and technologies are very much rooted in the body, materials, and emotions. Who is creating the digital tools we have become increasingly reliant on?
What I was thinking was in something like this.
I like the idea of arranging a scene.
Wow.
And then ever so gentle in your own time, really coming fully back into the body.
What impact do these technologies have on our minds and bodies? The Control Shift program reflects on the intimate relationship we've had with technology over the past year, providing different lenses and approaches through which to demystify, reframe, and transform our relationships with technology. How could we digitally connect differently?
Approaches to this question of technology.
Distributed one